Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm doing another try on haul. I've teamed up with White Fox Boutique for this video, so yeah, I'm pretty much just going to show you guys what I picked out, and obviously you'll see a little demo try on bit as usual next to me. So this was actually the first time I ordered off White Fox Boutique, so I was a little bit skeptical on their sizes. Like usually I'm around a 10 or a medium, sometimes 12, so I did kind of get a mix of different sizes just so like next time I order I know exactly what size to get. So without any further ado, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. I'll start off with shoes. So I picked up these Bellini flats. I'm obsessed with slides like this and obsessed with the leopard pattern at the moment, so picked these ones up, and these ones are in a size 7, and yeah, they just look super cute on, and yeah, as I said, I'm obsessed with slides at the moment. I've just put the camera up a little bit so it wasn't cutting off my head. I may as well just go ahead with starting off with showing you the accessories and stuff like that. So I got these, I'm not sure how to pronounce the brand, but it's VEUX Sunnies. They look like this. I love the shape because I have something similar in my Celine Sunnies, but they're just all black. They are super cute. Love these. Second pair of glasses I chose were these pink aviators. Oh my god, I think they are super cute for photos and just like by the beach. I don't know, they just look really summery to me and I'm living for them. So yeah, those are the two sunnies that I got. And the last two accessories that I got was this necklace. They're by Mink Collections, and these beautiful earrings. I think they're so dainty and pretty. I love them, and I feel like they match perfectly because they've got crosses on them. So yeah, those are the accessories that I got. And then I also got a belt, which I actually haven't tried on yet, but it's just a nude belt with a thicker sort of buckle. Looks like this. I probably wear this around the waist. I'm not usually a fan of wearing them like where they're supposed to sit on jeans. Or sometimes I do, but usually I like to use them with like dresses and stuff just to like cinch the waist in a bit. But yeah, this is the belt that I got. Super cute. So now onto clothes. If you guys watched my last haul, you're gonna be like, oh my god, you are obsessed with these kinds of jumpsuits. But I just love them. I just think they're so flattering. So it's just like a t-shirt type jumpsuit, and then it does up at the boob area. You'll see what I mean when I try it on. It's so hard to explain. They're super lightweight as well, so perfect for summer. So yes, I picked that one up. So next up I got a set, and these are the mustard shorts, and then it comes with a matching really cute crop, and it does up here. I just do a little like knot or bow, it just depends. But these look so cute together, and you can even mix and match. Like you can wear this with like black or white shorts or whatever shorts you want. So I love that set. And then I just got the shorts in a dusty pink color. I didn't end up getting the top, but I just got the shorts so I can once again mix and match and just wear this with like bodysuits or like crops or like t-shirts, whatever. But I just think they're super cute and comfy for summer. Next thing I picked up was this white bodysuit. This is so cute. It's probably one of my favorite items. And no, it just like sits really nicely everywhere, and it just like accentuates your collarbones. And I don't know, I just like this sort of style in like a singlet. So yeah, and it does up here, and it's really weird because like it kind of reminds me of like bra straps. It's not like the usual like buttons that you usually clip on the bottom, but yeah, this is super cute, and once again super versatile. You can wear it with any of those shorts that I mentioned before, and yeah, just pretty much anything. So I'm obsessed with this top. This top I got is this sort of Gucci inspired top. I don't know, when I saw it on the website I was like, that looks like Gucci. It was so cool. The material's kind of like, it's not ribbed, but it's a little bit thicker. I love this kind of straight on look at the moment in like singlets and crop tops. So yeah, I think this one is super cute. Next bodysuit I picked up was this khaki one. Also really versatile, and once again the bottom kind of reminds me of bra strap. These bodysuits definitely remind me of the Kukai ones, like the same sort of material, except the straps are a little bit more skinnier, and I think I prefer that. Just looks a little bit more, I don't know, like dainty and classy. But yeah, I really like this. Oh yeah, by the way, I got most of these in a size medium. As for sizing, I find that it's more of a small medium than a big medium. You know how you can get like a medium or a size 10 and it's like massive on you, or like bigger than what you thought? So it's definitely more on the smaller side. So if you're wanting something like a little bit more looser or a little bit more comfortable and less tight, because yeah, this is skin tight, and I'd recommend going a size up. Next thing I picked up was this t-shirt with holes through it. I don't know why, but it kind of like gave me Givenchy vibes. Like I've seen a few people on Instagram like wear the Givenchy shirts and they kind of have like the rips like this. I don't know, I just thought it looked really different and cool, so I picked it up. Don't mind the makeup stains. It's white, like what can you expect? But yeah, it's super cute. You can like tie it up at the waist, you can tuck it in or leave it out. But yeah, I just wanted like a really cool white shirt, so picked that one up. Next is this bodysuit. Now I purely bought this because I have something very exciting happening in the next 2 weeks. I don't know if I've announced it yet, but I may as well just announce it in this video. But I'm actually getting a boob job. That sounds so weird to say because never in a million years would I've ever thought of getting one, but I am. And I don't know, like the model on the website, I don't know, she had like a good set of boobs and they looked really good on her because it kind of like plunged sort of low, and you obviously can't wear a bra with it. But when I tried it on, I was like, oh god. As soon as I put it on there, I was like, imagine what this will look like when I have my boobs done. Anyways, so it looks like this at the front, and then you kind of like tie it at the back and then pull it at the front and then tie it back at the back. But yeah, I'm super excited to wear this. Last few items I'm actually wearing. So this is a cropped, it's not really ribbed, but it's a little bit thicker, off the shoulder black top. It's super cute. I can see myself wearing this like pretty much every day in winter. And I just realized I'm also wearing some shorts from White Fox Boutique that I didn't even realize I had on. They're like high-waisted. You'll see what they look like more like on the side there, but they're so comfortable. I've pretty much like been wearing them every single day since I got them. So lastly, I picked up this red denim skirt. I wouldn't say it's like denim, it's kind of like thin sort of denim. And I must say that the sizing on this one is very small. Like as you can see when I try it on, it is super tight. I probably would recommend going a size up if you're around about my size. But yeah, I got a medium in this, so I probably could have gotten away with a large. I don't know if it stretches or not, but different story. I might wear this around the house, see if it like loosens up and stretches. But yeah, it was very tight, as you can see in the try on bit of the video. But yeah, it is so cute. I think that is all I picked up. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did and you want to see more hauls on my channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me, and don't forget, if you liked anything that you saw, to use my discount code. I'll probably leave it on the screen right here and definitely down in the description box down below. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.